GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. Everyone involved in the manufacturing and processing of FDA-regulated products has the responsibility to do their best to ensure that every product manufactured is safe, pure, effective, and of the highest possible quality. We carry out this responsibility each day by doing our job to the best of our ability and following all written procedures. GMP is government regulation which establishes minimum standards for the manufacture of our products. GMP regulations is the quality system built to protect the health and safety of our customers. There are 10 principles of GMP. First, write step-by-step operating procedures and work instructions. Second, carefully follow written procedures and instructions. In the drug industry, it is critical that good procedures are in place to ensure a controlled and consistent performance. Procedures should be clear, concise, and logical. Taking shortcuts may save time or make the task easier, but you should never deviate from a written procedure without the approval of supervisor or the quality department. Third, promptly and accurately document your work for compliance and traceability. Fourth, by validating our work, we are actively proving that our system is doing what it was designed to do. To prove that our equipment and processes consistently do what they are supposed to do, testing and documentation is required. Consistent performance is the key to maintaining the safety and effectiveness of every product and enhance a company's reputation for quality and reliability. New facility and equipment as well as significant changes to existing systems require validation. All validation activities should be well planned and clearly defined. We achieve this by correctly following written procedures and properly maintaining and calibrating equipment. Fifth, develop a good design for the facility and the equipment from the beginning. Sixth, properly maintain the facility and the equipment. A logical and well-planned layout will improve productivity. Sometimes you need to step back and reconsider the whole production area rather than applying a quick fix solution. It's important to control the following so that it does not impact product quality. Air, water, lighting, ventilation, and temperature are the main factors. 7. Clearly define, develop, and demonstrate job competence. Training will be provided for all employees whose activities could affect the quality of the product. This includes basic training on the theory and practices of the GMP. Companies need people who know how to do their job right and for the first time, every time. 8. Protect our product against contamination by practicing good hygiene. The fight against contamination is a constant battle and is one that requires the attention of every single employee every day. There are 3 types of contamination. First, particulate. A product has been made impure by any particle that does not belong in it. Dust, dirt, lint, fiber, and hair must be properly dressed to prevent contamination of materials, components, and products. Second, microbial. Microorganisms are living organisms that exist on everything in the environment that has not been sterilized, such as fungus, mold, bacterial, and viruses. Third, cross-contamination. When traces of other materials, components, and products adulterate or misbrand the product. Ninth, design quality into product. Every step in the product life cycle requires effective controls to assure product quality. For example, check all the material and components when they enter premises to ensure they meet the defined specification, segregated, sampled, tested, and approved prior to release for manufacturing. Check all records and procedures are valid on the day of execution and ensuring employees are trained to perform the same job every time as per written procedures. Control over packaging and labeling areas to avoid mix-ups and errors. 10th, perform regular audits. Conduct planned and periodic audit to assess whether you are following GMP rules. External bodies such as FDA also conduct these audits, but self-inspection or in-house audits should be conducted to ensure GMP compliance.